everybody, this is Bui from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making blueberry muffins with a very interesting technique. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. In a large bowl, combine all-purpose flour with sugar, baking powder, and salt. Whisk everything together, then set aside. Next, we're gonna add room temperature butter to the flour mixture. Now rub all these ingredients together with your fingers until they resemble coarse breadcrumbs. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients. Beat 1 egg and add it to the milk along with vanilla extract. Give that a good mix, then add it to the flour mixture. Using a spatula or a wooden spoon, mix everything until it's well incorporated. This should take about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes of mixing, this is how the batter should look. It should be thick. You are going to need a standard 12 muffin tin lined with muffin cups and blueberries. Now let's build our muffins. Start by adding a teaspoon of batter into the bottom of each muffin cup. So guys, today we are going to use a very interesting technique to keep your blueberries from spilling into the batter or split. I know guys, some people don't have patience to layer the blueberries, and I know this method is time consuming, but it's a great tip to have when you are giving them as a gift, or you just want your muffins to look appetizing. If you think this method is time consuming guys, the other way to keep blueberries from exploding in muffins is by tossing the berries with a tablespoon or 2 of flour before adding them to the batter. With this method guys, there is no sinking of berries to the bottom of the pan. If you try it, I know you will love it and you will stick with it. Next, add few berries on top of the batter. These blueberry muffins are incredibly easy to make guys. I feel the method of placing the blueberries on the batter is so much better than fold them in. I know guys, this recipe will be your keeper. I hope you have patience guys. Now let's listen to the music. Guys, please don't go away. If you are bored, just go down in the comment section and leave a comment. Give a like. I love you my honeybees. One thing I like about this recipe, guys, the amount of the sugar is not overly, it's just the right perfect amount. Not too sweet, not bland too. Now the muffins are ready for the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the middle of the muffin comes out clean. The muffins are out of the oven, guys. Leave them in the muffin tin for 10 minutes before placing them on the cooling rack to cool completely. There you have it, guys. Blueberry muffins. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.